The Start-X Remote Starter for the 2022 and 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander offers a convenient way to start your vehicle remotely, making it perfect for cold mornings. The kit features a unique Start-X T-harness, which eliminates the need for wire splicing or cutting, allowing for an easy and straightforward installation process. This remote starter is proudly designed, engineered, and manufactured in North America, ensuring high quality and reliability backed by a company with a strong reputation. The remote starter's range is impressive, as it allows you to start your vehicle from the same distance you can lock or unlock it, providing flexibility in various situations. It is specifically designed to be compatible with the 2022 and 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander, although it does not support the Outlander Sport model. Start-X provides excellent support with agents located in the United States who offer assistance in English, ensuring customer satisfaction and ease of use.